So welcome to another food review. This time it's at Ikea Cafe, which apparently has got really good Swedish meatballs. So it's so popular now. Wow, it's so crowded. Quite amazing. I think everybody has decided to come to shop in Ikea. Oh, Swedish meatballs.
Meatballs and chicken.
There's a cake. Apple cake. Oh yeah, Swedish apple cake is quite nice. Or chocolate mousse. First you pick up your tray and your cutlery. So if you're intending to over order again, make sure you have enough trays. Here's the drinks selection in a small bottle of water for $1.50. This is the meatball station. So we have the Swedish meatballs and various sides for $10.50. DIY everything. Do you know that if you're an Ikea member, you have some discount, and today we saved $1. That's our Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes and peas and sauce. This is the pork ribs with chips. Whoa! And here's a healthy version. We have salmon fillet with roast potatoes. Roast potatoes looks a bit pale, but never mind. And for dessert is the apple cake. Let's just try this. It's Swedish meatballs. What's that red sauce? Interesting. Quite nice. The Swedish meatball is quite tasty. It's got tastes like got onions and all that, and herbs and spices. Mashed potato is good. Can't go wrong with mashed potatoes. Okay, we are now like just about finishing our meal. So far I feel that the meatballs are still the best.
Yeah.
It's got this nice like kind of a cranberry sauce thing. The ribs is more like I think they have like pressure cooked it, and then you have the time to really grill it to caramelize it. So it feels a bit boiled. Maybe the salmon, I don't quite like it because it's more poached rather than fried or grilled. You know, I'm so used to the crispy skin salmon, but that's what it is. I think overall, I would say it's pretty good value. The Swedish meatballs is about $10.50 for this. Even you get a bowl of noodles, you know. Nowadays it's going to cost you more than that. I think it's worth. The meat, the spare ribs has a lot of meat. I feel that it's good if you want to eat a lot of meat and you don't really mind it's not gourmet. So for $15 it's pretty good. So this is Ikea. And you know how Ikea
Malaysia got fried chicken wings.
Oh, okay, I was just about to say all Ikea around the world all are exactly the same.
No, not really.
I think the next time when I go to other countries, I'll probably go to all the Ikeas and try out all the Ikea cafes. Different countries have different, maybe like McDonald's, you know, they have different sauces and things in different countries. Maybe Ikea have different, as you say. In Malaysia, they have fried chicken wings. Whoa! I would love to have fried chicken wings. And now for dessert. Look, we are in Sweden. This is the apple cake. apple cake. Sometimes you know these European desserts are quite nice. Like maybe a Danish croissant. Oh, no, hang on. Croissants are French. But anyway, this is apple cake. Nice. But the spices that we usually use for apple. So this apple cake, it's sweet, not overly sweet. It's sweet and then it's got a bit of the tartiness of the apple, and it's got
Okay, like quite nice.
apple, probably cinnamon, I think,
Yeah, cinnamon.
and soft.
I like because of cinnamon taste.
Quite soft. It's quite nice. Oh, I know someone who is allergic to cinnamon, but not me, thank goodness. Otherwise, I can't eat apple desserts. Okay, review. What do you think? Is this can come back, must come back, or only if desperate come back?
Can come back for the Swedish meatballs only.
Obviously not impressed with the rest, but it's okay. Can have the
Because
Swedish
it's cheap
meatballs and
value
also
for money.
and
$10.50.
Swedish meatballs and also the apple cake for dessert. Have a bottle of water. I think that will set us back. Only one Swedish meatball is $10.50, and then the apple cake is $4.80, and $2 for the large water. It's not bad.
It will be about $20.
$20.
For two
Okay,
people.
if you're maybe if I'm on a budget, then can cut out the apple cake. Okay, I'll see you again in the next review.